life can be crazy. Here in the North Sea, in front of the Lofoten Islands, it all began. It was a lot stormier those days, and cold. Damn cold. Winter in Lofoten is an attack, in the best kind of way. I was a surf photographer, standing on the most beautiful beaches on the planet. And it sounds stupid, but it actually became boring. Wi-Fi everywhere, high-rise hotels, and crowded beaches. I knew there was something missing. I started looking in more remote places to find the adventure that I was seeking. So I went to the Lofoten Islands, the islands of the gods. It was like I found this whole new world that maybe others had simply overlooked. It was minus 23 degrees, icy wind, and 3-meter high waves. A freezing cold feeling, everything. It feels like it's about to shut down. I could literally feel the blood leaving my hands, feet, and face. That moment, I knew this is exactly what I've been seeking out. These pictures, they meant so much more to me because I had given a piece of myself to get them. It makes me feel alive in a way I never felt before. I came here to do something different, and now I know I never want to do anything else again.